Hello, hello, and welcome to the amazing live stream. Today we are again doing some kind of analysis, and maybe I take a possible trade here. So welcome to. Let me just message this. Okay, now let's start it. What we have today, we look where was our signal, and it went down. Now still a lot more to come. Okay, now just look at this what we had yesterday, because yesterday I was not there due to internet connection. Now we had both a very uh, good news about the energies. Now in energy, the first natural gas storage, okay, it was last time 258 billion cubic meter, I think. What is the cubic feet? Okay, so there is feet we had. Okay, now so the oil, it was last time minus 2 million barrel in inventories. Now this time they have decreased like minus 1 million barrels, and with the Trump coming in, they will be now a positive. Okay, let me just do a graph. Where is the graph here? If we look at the graph here, look, it's not going so much down like this here. We might see a positive week. The next week might be just positive because it's not dropping below 5 million. When we see a positive graph there, the oil prices will start reducing. Okay, looking at today news, today we had one of the greatest news in the this decade about the Japanese yen. Now, what I can say there is that now the yen has already, okay, so let me just do this. Now, the yen from 2008, they did not increase the rate till to this much level. That was, look at this, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%. Okay, look at this, minus 10%. They were expecting at this one point in 2016 this level, but from 2008, 2008 they were minus, 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 and now they have came into the territory of plus. Look, what is the reason? The inflation is picking up. If we look at the inflation in Japan, let me just check it here. Maybe that was there. Yeah, here. The inflation rose there. Where was that? Where was that? Okay, where was that? Which day it was? Which day it was? PPI. Okay, so that, which was that? Where is that? Okay, monetary policy, monetary base. Let me just do option. So not here. CPI, their CPI is also at 0.1%, which is not telling us a good sign. JPY. Okay, so somehow, no, we have to find it. We have to find it. Okay, no. Okay, so this is a core CPI. Look, the core CPI has increased. Now, when the inflation increase, it indicates that the economy is expanding. There is supply of money, and in order to take their supply, okay, to your core CPI. Now, this is the point they have risen. Now, if you look at this to Tokyo, it is increasing. Look, but somehow I didn't thought or that it will be okay. So it was that COVID. Look at this. Now, in this previous 10 years, it was around 1%. Now it has gone to 2% because we know that there was stimulus checks in the COVID era, still that was playing the role in 2023, yeah, May, June, April. So that was the reason. And now I think they have seen the what I have not I personally did not that I didn't focus that much on JPY, yeah, PMI, SMI, or their data, so I would have told you exactly the reason. What is the reason they are using? But one of the main reason is that this indicator, when it is increasing, that means the supply of money is a lot in the market. So let me just do it a quick analysis for this week. Okay, so we have this week. Now looking at the today, they have increased. Where is it? Okay, now so they have increased the interest rate. Now we also now understand this, that there is a lot of big news, a lot of news coming related to the European Union. Now look at this. Play, Germany manufacturing index, plus manufacturing index. Now uh, when okay, so they this indicator, let me just see if the camera is okay now. Okay, now so this is a kind of indicator which they take the survey, means every country has this bureau of statistic. Every country has this institution of statistics. Now statistic indication institution is a very good thing. Now they have, like, look here, 750 company. Okay, take it as an example. They have registered this company. They go there and survey them. Okay, how much product did you sold, how was this prices, how was this, and how was this. Based on this, they tell us that okay, now they then draw one horizontal line at the middle, and if the price or the numbers came above them, that horizontal middle line, they said okay, now it is in a good shape, the economy is in a good shape. Now if that, based on that 750 industries, if the indication or the number come below, they said okay, now the industries are troubling. Now just in case you say this, okay, now divide this, do a calculation, and like, due to language barrier, I have to okay, in future I may try to make you, I will make you people understand if possible. Now I'm at a early stage. You can see me that I become pausey here. Pause, 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 and then speak. So yeah, I cannot make you people understand. I will do it. Okay. Now look at the German pledge services. Look. Now there is one thing about services and one thing about manufacturing. Now these countries are not based on services. Based on services, a country, look, uh, China is a major economy based on uh, manufacturing, and then the European Union. Now, United States is based on services, not based on manufacturing. United States is based on services. Now, India itself is, I think, their economy overall is now equal. Based on manufacturing is a little bit less than services. Now, these their economy runs these countries economy runs on manufacturing. Okay, now if the manufacturing sector is doing bad in future, the services will then follow